Well, good morning, scrappers, and my little scrappeteers. A little foggy this morning. We're getting up a little earlier than normal because it's gonna rain soon, so we're gonna try to get this done. We already got a couple of things on the truck we got picked up yesterday, so hope everybody's feeling good. Hope everybody's ready for the ride. Come on now, point it out. I'll pick it up. At least try. All right now. See you in a few. We got ourselves a fan. Let's get the fan. Put the cord and get the fan. There we go. Like I said, I already had a couple of things in there, so oh, look, came up. There we go. All right, and away we go. Looks like some curtain rods, I think. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. What else we got? Nothing. A couple of steaks. There we go. Put them in this little hole we got here, already made up for them. They fit in there perfectly. What else we put in there? All right, let's continue. Barbecue. Let's get a barbecue. Let's get in this truck. Seen better days too. It's gonna see better days now. Let's get some of this weight out of it. Oh, it's wiggling, baby. It's jiggling, baby. It's jiggling. Let's leave that in there. How's that? Come on. Go. Come on. Don't break the legs, homie. Gotta get you in here first. Alright, let's fix it in here. Go. Let me know if you guys want to see some what's it called, micro scrap. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. Put that in there. Put the fan in here. Barbecue. Oh my goodness. It just fell apart on us, didn't it? Yes, it did fall apart on us. Oof. Alright, no worries, no worries. Let's get this out of here. It's bothering us now. Hang this, I'll kick in the head. All right. There we go. Let's tie this down, because now we're gonna pick it up 1,500 times today. Let's that ain't going nowhere. Perfect, right there. Let's put this right there. All right. In there. And away we go. Let's grab the chair. One of those heavy chairs. All right. Let's get the chair in. We'll fix all that later. All right, we got ourselves a bed rail here. Let's see if we can take this thing apart. Okay, that came off. Let's see here. That came off too. All right, so I guess we're gonna have to put it in just like this. Oh, come on. There we go. We're gonna have to take this apart. It's way too big. Let's see here. All right, give me a minute. Let me just take this apart. Get apart. Barbecue's falling apart too. Awesome. You have to tie that down soon. All right, let's continue. Come on. We got ourselves a scooter. A Fusion scooter. Trash ain't come by yet. Oh, that barbecue's falling apart. All right. We'll deal with it in a little bit. We can't deal with it now. Trash is on its way. Let's keep it rolling. All right. We got a couple of things and we got a big mess. And here we go. No. Aluminum. And that's it. All right. There we go. Let's continue. We got a chair here. Let's get the chair. A chair and an old trunk. No, that's gonna fall apart before we even get in the truck. Let's just grab the chair. Let's just put it in there for right now because the garbage is coming. The truck is around. These are here. Well, we gotta fix this. Let's fix this mess. Give me a few minutes. Oh my goodness. All right, give me a few minutes. I couldn't film because it was raining. Well, it wasn't raining. It is raining. And I can't get the camera wet. The only thing I have. And without that, I wouldn't be able to do anything. So, sorry about that. And I think we're done for the day. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see what happens. The sun is trying to peek out, but it's still raining. It was raining hard a few minutes ago. Too hard. So we'll see what I don't know. We'll see what we do. The sun is out. Stopped raining. Still some on the ground, but let's go get rid of this. Still a couple of clouds. Looks like it wants to rain. So let's go to the scrapyard. We are here, and we made it before lunch. Yes. All right. Let's go see what we weigh in. I'm glad we made it before lunch. All right. 39.40, 39.60, whatever it is. 39.40, 39.60. Let's get this stuff off the truck. What's going on, boss man? We're making you late for lunch. Yep. I hear you. I'm sorry about that. Whoa. All right. Oh. All right, that's out of the way. Let's get up in here. My way. All right. Barbecue barely made it. Come on. Man's ready to go to lunch. Get my hooks. Uh-oh. There we go. Come on, are you serious? Enough is enough already for the day. Oh my goodness. let's get this out of here. Start from scratch. All right, boss man.
Alrighty, man.
You have yourself a nice lunch.
I'm gonna try.
At least, right? At least try.
Yeah, I'll get part of the lunch.
I hear you. All right, buddy.
No problem. Yeah, have a good one.
We locked it down, but that's okay. We're the last one. What do we weigh? 3480. 3480. So I guess we got like 500 pounds. Maybe, give or take. All right.
$32.20.
All right, boss man.
Like I said, you're not going to get your money.
I got you. I got you. I got you. Sorry about that.
Appreciate the hell out of it.
Of course. Of course. Everyone.
I mean, it's my half hour, you know, now it's almost a quarter.
It's almost done.
Yeah, it's almost done.
All right, boss. All right, well, the owner there was upset, something about lunch. I didn't mean to. I had trailers in front of me. They took long. I took a few minutes. But anyway, 39.40 came in, 34.80 went out, 450 pounds, 32. Oh, went up 7 cents a pound, 32.20. All right, so 32.20 it is. Well, we had to call it short. We couldn't continue. It was raining too hard. Then it stopped, and I said, let me do it now. So thank you for watching. Thank you for everything that you guys do. If there's any changes that you like, go ahead and put it on the comments. I'll try to change things around and see what the viewers want. But if I don't have an idea of what you guys want, I don't know. So thank you for watching. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for everything. We couldn't do this without you. God bless. Everybody stay safe. We'll see you on the next video. Treasure Coast Scrapper.